Hey everybody, it's Lisa with Harmony House Art, and I just wanted to share this new find with you. Um, so I saw this at Blix, these new art panels. They say they're for alcohol ink, but also can be used with acrylics, mixed media, and all that. Both sides are usable, and they've got an MDF core, so there's no warping or whatever. And for me, the game changer is that you can now put these in a traditional frame. Um, so that's just huge for me at least. Maybe it is for everybody. Um, so you can put your beauties in a traditional frame instead of worrying about the sides and all that nonsense. And they come in many sizes. I just got a couple to start with because I thought if I don't, if I don't like them, but they have worked out beautifully. So stay tuned, watch the video of how the paint moves around on it, and thanks for watching.